The 16th annual lecture of Crusade for Justice, a non-governmental organization, was held in Lagos, southwest Nigeria, with a theme, Good Governance and an Effective Justice Delivery System as critical requirements for a stable polity. The host, Richard Nwankwo, who also gave the opening address, maintained that there can be no good governance without an effective justice system.
But of course, you know that in the political system that we have, people that are absolutely totally debased, people that have no moral content, people that are in true sense enemies of their own people. So those are the issues, and I think by bringing up this discourse, we are trying to stimulate the consciousness of our people in that direction. We are trying to make our people appreciate the fact that good governance cannot come from the blues, it cannot come from the moon. Now this good governance stands on a stilt.
For Shade Ali, who spoke on the topic, arbitration as a justice delivery mechanism in a developing economy, a case study of Nigeria, encouraged the use of arbitration as an alternative way to settle disputes.
Basically, arbitration as an alternative way of resolving disputes instead of going to court. The reason why commercial people go for arbitration is because one is faster, it's cost effective, it's flexible. Commercial men, when they have contracts, would just like to have a dispute resolution system that is fast, where the disputes could be resolved speedily and businessmen can go ahead with the reason why they've come to invest in your country. So arbitration is a faster way of resolving disputes, and if we have impartial arbitrators that can give reasoned judgment, which is called an award, then such awards would be enforced. And obviously, the more foreign investors come into our country, the more our GDP would grow.
The chairman of the occasion, Professor Taiwo Osipiton, who said that good governance and democracy are not Siamese twins, also noted that a country can have good governance without democracy and also democracy without good governance.
Democracy and good governance are not the same. It is possible for you to have a democracy in place and to have bad government in place. And it's also possible for you to have good government without democracy. All we are saying is that we look at the caliber of people who are in charge. 1,001 principles of democracy is not an insurance for good governance. What will ensure good governance is that right people get appointed to elective positions.
Many thought-provoking observations were made, such as godfatherism, salaries of legislators at all levels, mismanagement of public resources, outrageous price of nomination forms for electoral candidates, and the disconnect between leaders and citizens.
We'll make one progress today, the next day we'll make 20 steps backwards. And that is why, if you look at what is happening in the West African sub-region, you find out that the little enclaves, the smaller countries, are doing very, very well. While Nigeria, a so-called giant, is retarded. So I think we must be ready for this kind of discourse. We must say it, we must discuss that, and we must raise these issues. As much as we bring these things to the consciousness of the people, then we can authoritatively say that we are making progress. If that is not done, what we are doing now is just a traditional ritual. We keep on deceiving ourselves, talking about democracy as if democracy as a system of governance is Uhuru. It is not. The political gladiators must be true democrats. They must appreciate the fact that there is diversity in this system. And for you to appreciate that fact, you must be conscious of the sensibilities of all the ethnic constituents of the country.
Nigeria is a democratic nation. Therefore, issues that affect the people must be dealt with, and the crusade for justice must remain unrepentant in their determination towards ensuring good governance for the people. This is Ruth Ekara for Lover Plus News.
In the bosom of their maker.